Hey everyone, I was working with a student named Margaret this week on solving 841 divided by 5. And the first thing that she said to me was that she knew that 5 times 100 would give her 500. And so she took that away right away. And she was left with 341. And she said to me, okay, she knows that 25s are 100. So she went like this, 20, 40, 60. So 5 times 60 would give her 300, and that would get rid of 3 more hundred of these, which would give her with left would be 41. So then she said, oh, this was easy because she knew that 5 times 8 equaled 40, and there would be 1 remaining. And then she said that what was interesting about this was that it was 1/5 remaining, and she knew that 1/5 is actually 2/10. So the answer, she said, was 168 and 2/10, or 0.2. So 5 times 168.2 equals 841.
Hi everyone, today we are doing 841 divided by 5.
That's a mouthful, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, Anna, how do you want to do this?
Well, I want to think of it as 841 divided by 10, or 841 divided by 10.
So 841 into 10 equal groups?
Into 10 equal groups.
Okay, so if I split this into 10 equal groups, how much is going to be in each group?
Well, we just have to move the decimal over, so it would be 84.1.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So 84.1, that's in one group. 2 groups, 84.1. That's a lot of 84.1s.
There's a lot there.
Okay, is that 5 of them?
That's 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll do another 5.
We've been doing this so long. I thought it was 8.4.1 per second.
Okay, so there's our 10 equal groups, but we don't need 10 equal groups.
Yeah,
the
we
question
need
actually says
5.
divided by 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that means we should add them together, because then we'd only have 5, because this would be 1. So that's 1, and then this would be 1. That's
okay.
2.
So
this would be 1. That's 3. This would be 1. That's 4. And then the last one would be 5.
Okay, so how many is in each group though? Because that's our answer, right? So
well, 80 plus 80 is 106.
Let's see. So 80 plus 80
is 160. I went 8 plus 8 is 16. I had 0.
Okay.
And then 4 plus 4 is 8.
So can we just do
4.1 plus 4.1 is 4.2. I mean 8.2.
8.2.
And then you add the 2 together.
Yeah. So in total, how much is in this group then?
168.2.
Awesome. Great ideas, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.